Grade 3 English Language Adjectives. Hello children, how are you? Do you know what a vault is? We are going to learn adjectives today. In this lesson, I'll teach you what adjectives are and how to write a suitable adjective for a noun and how to write a suitable noun for an adjective. Okay children, let's start our lesson. Look at these two pictures. You can see two men here. One man is short and the other man is tall. The words short and tall help us to say more about the men. Look at the following pictures of the two houses. One house is small and the other house is big. So children, can you see that the words small and big tell you more about the sizes of the houses? As you all saw in the previous slides, the words short and tall and small and big tells us something more about the men and the houses. The words short, tall, small and big help to describe the nouns man and house to give a better idea about them. These kinds of describing words are called adjectives. An adjective is a word that customizes and intensifies a noun or a pronoun. It gives additional information about what the noun or the pronoun refers to. It usually comes right before the noun or the pronoun that it modifies. So children, adjectives can be defined as words that describe the quality of a person, animal, place or thing. Let's look at some examples. Look at the woman. The noun woman belongs to the category of person. The woman is further described using the word short as short woman. So the word short is an adjective. Look at the cat. The noun cat belongs to the category of animals. The noun cat is further described using the word brown as brown cat. So the word brown is too an adjective. Look at the school. The noun school belongs to the category of places. The word small tells you more about the school as small school. So the word small is an adjective. Look at the ring. The noun ring is in the category of things. The ring is described as gold ring using the word gold. As the word gold tells you more about the ring, the word gold is too an adjective. Words used to describe about the numbers, colors, sizes and shapes are also adjectives. For an example, look at the picture given below. Two benches. In this phrase, the word two describes how many benches are there. So the word two is an adjective. Look at the picture given. Green parrot. In this phrase, the word green describes the color of the parrot. So the word green is too an adjective. Look at the picture. Big house. In this phrase, the size of the house is further described using the word big. So the word big is an adjective. Now look at this picture. Round table. In this phrase, the shape of the table is described using the word round. So the word round is also an adjective. That's not all children. An adjective also describes how someone or something looks, tastes, feels, smells or sounds like. Look at the picture given below. Beautiful girl. Here the word beautiful helps to tell something more about the look of the girl. So the word beautiful is an adjective. Look at this picture. Sweet fruits. The taste of the fruits is further described using the word sweet. So the word sweet is an adjective. Look at the picture. Soft pillow. Here the word soft describes about the feeling that you feel when you touch the pillow. So the word soft is too an adjective. Look at the picture below. Fragrant breeze. Doesn't the word fragrant tell you more about the smell of the breeze, children? Yes, it does. So the word fragrant is also an adjective. Look at this picture now. Loud music. Here the word loud describes about the sound of the music. So the word loud is also an adjective. Let's look at some more examples, children. Heavy parcel, hot water, big car, creamy coffee, ripe apple, handsome boy, blue eyes, green ribbon, skinny girl, small box. The words heavy, hot, big, creamy, ripe, handsome, blue, green, skinny and small describe the nouns parcel, water, car, coffee, apple, boy, eyes, ribbon, girl and box. So they are called as adjectives. Now it's time to do an activity, children. You should fill in the blanks with the suitable adjectives given in the box. The adjectives given are tall, twinkling, bright, salty and beautiful. Number 1. Blank doll. Number 2. Blank sun. Number 3. Blank tree. Number 4. Blank stars. Number 5. Blank chips. Let's look at the answers now. Number 1. Beautiful doll. Number 2. Bright sun. Number 3. Tall tree. Number 4. Twinkling stars. Number 5. Salty chips. Let's do another small exercise now. You should fill in the blanks using the suitable nouns given in the box for the following adjectives. The nouns given are dog, hall, ring, father and mango. Number 1. Silver blank. Number 2. Juicy blank. Number 3. Big blank. Number 4. Cute blank. Number 5. Educated blank. Now let's check our answers, children. Number 1. Silver ring. Number 2. Juicy mango. Number 3. Big hall. Number 4. Cute dog. Number 5. Educated father. Now my dear children, it's your time to see how much you have learnt. Complete the relevant 3 exercises in your Grammar Master textbook in page number 60. Hope you all enjoyed the lesson. Let's meet again with another lesson. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.